Yo guys, what is up? So, I was bored today and I made a random number generator. What I am gonna do with a random number generator, I do not know. So, I'm gonna show you guys how to make it. So, first of all, I created a white square. I don't know why. Then I gonna create a UI legacy text. So create that and then click there to cancel the renaming thing. Then click F by center and middle. Click Alt and then over here. And then click F again to focus on that. Then click and make a UI button. The button is pretty cool and I will show you why it is, but that's later in the video. So then by so the button's done, rename the text to 1 or whatever you want, then resize this and drag the thing to bigger, so it's bigger than the alignment middle and middle, then center this and then create a number script. I'm not gonna show you how to make a script. Then once you create the thing, go to the nameplates at the top and create a nameplate set called using unity.ui. So this will make it so we can reference UI elements in the code. So public text and then call that get text or something. Get text and then add semicolons there and then 2 spaces and then call this function private. So we're not gonna call it in the thing private, then a void and call it number and then we gotta have 1 because we can't have the function's name be the same as the script. I don't know why. This Unity being weird. So then make a parameter. I got that word right. Parameter int and then number. So int and then number and then create curly brackets here and then we gonna say make another int and then call that random number. That's called a random. That works. Random number equals random and then we'll prompt you with this random dot range parentheses 0 comma number. So that's what you want. And then we gotta make this so it shows it on our actual text element. So we gotta make get text dot text. 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 and then equals random.toString. So the random number would show on the text.text element. So now we make a public void public void and then public void, let's just name this numbers numbers, but we add an s on the end so it's not the same. Then parentheses and brackets, and then we say and then we say number one sorry, I spelled that wrong. Number one, and then we give that thing, and then we say 50. So it will give a number that is that ranges from 1 through 50. So when we go into our game scene here, so just save that and then minimize. If this loads, it would be nice. Okay, there it loaded. Now if we gotta do a few things here, so we gotta add our number script onto the canvas. I will show you why we do that in a sec. Add the number script in our canvas, then go to the button, say on click. So when you click this, we want to call and then drag the canvas into this. We want to drag the canvas and then say number and then numbers. So when we click this button, we want to call the number script. So then start the game, and if we click the number script, there you go, we get a random number. Okay, so hope you enjoyed, and peace.